acidity.
Okay.
Ma'am, as such, no, I think asanas particularly does not help in the acidity. It depends on the food they are taking, but still they can do the Kapalbhati daily. That also will help them to get rid of acidity problem. And they have to control their food diet, like they can't have more and more tea or a coffee, which leads to acidity.
Okay. And one question from Jhansi Lakshmi. She is asking, can we take a sip of water during the practice? During
Yes, ma'am, definitely, but not practice, yoga practice, right?
yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, they can definitely, but not full glass of water. Only because throat will have the dryness when we practice, and that too mostly that problem comes in the summer. They can have one or a two sip of water, definitely.
And from Simar Judge, madam is asking, hello ma'am, I have a question that asanas can be
Yeah, ma'am.
practiced by any age of interval. Can we
Yes,
practice the
ma'am.
yogasana?
Yes,
From
yes,
which
ma'am.
age we have to start?
Ma'am, it's we can start yoga at the age of 8, because even I have started. That is the right age, not before than that. And it can be practiced all the asanas at all the age. But only the thing is, if the person is under any medication, they went under any surgery, or they met under accident, they must just consult their doctor and they should perform.
Okay. What precautions are there in the chakrasana? While you please illustrate visually.
Chakrasana, please repeat the question, ma'am.
What are the precautions in chakrasana? Will you please
Yes,
illustrate it visually?
yes, ma'am. I'll tell you, then I'll show it by sleeping.
Okay.
Chakrasana, as such, there are no complications, but it has actually two ways of doing. One can do by the standing, one they can do by sleeping, right? One actually who has a BP problem, it's better they not, I'll not suggest them to do chakrasan by standing. As again I said, I'll show you, because when we start performing, whoever having high BP, they face the problem. It's better to consult, but I'll show once the chakrasan by sleeping. Sleep, fold your legs and hands. Keep your hands in this way. Lift slowly. Come on your head. And this is the posture. Relax. Relax for few minutes. Breathe. This actually, ma'am, whenever we practice, should do it slowly, and also immediately don't get up, come in a Shavasana posture, then relax and come in the normal position.
And one question is from Dr. Geeta Nayak. For diabetic
Yes.
patient, which kind of asanas are helpful?
Someone who is having that high sugar, Surya Namaskar is very helpful, because it helps to get relief from the sugar, not completely, but it will definitely reduce the sugar. Surya Namaskar is very helpful.
ಶೇರ್ ಹೇಳಿ ಇನ್ನೇನು ಬರ್ರಿ ನಾನು ಆನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತೀವಿ ಇನ್ನೇನು ಇನ್ನೇನು ಅಡ್ಮಿಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಇನ್ನೇನು ಅಡ್ಮಿಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Please, participants, I request to stay in touch because the resource person has having some problem in internet connection and she will be right away now. Hello. ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ರಿಸೋರ್ಸ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನನ್ನ ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಷನ್ Before the resource person will come again, join again, I would like to answer the questions. Can we eat before asanas or at the time of asanas? While practicing yoga asanas, we should not eat before 3 hours because it has to be an empty bladder. Means 3 to 4 hours before only we have to take some light food. That time after the bladder is empty for 3 to 4 hours, then only we can go for practicing the yoga asanas. And any other questions? You can type and you can in chat box, you can mail it. We will try to answer your questions and queries. Shreya Lakshmi? Yeah. Shreya Lakshmi, can you unmute? Unmute ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತೀನಿ.
Veena, can you hear me here?
Shreya Lakshmi ma'am, can you start your video?
Hello.
We already unmuted.
Hello.
We are unmuted your, and can you start your video?
Are you able to hear me, Veena?
Yeah. I can
I'm
hear
not
you.
able to hear you actually. Your voice is not reaching me.
We are hearing you, ma'am. Can you turn your video on?
Just a minute. Can you hear me?
Yeah.
But your voice, I'm not able to hear.
Okay, you can start, ma'am.
Now?
Yeah.
Can you hear me now?
Yeah, ma'am.
But your voice is not reaching me, Veena. I'm not able to hear you.
Can you perform still a little bit, 1 or 2 yogasanas, participate in asking?
Veena.
Participate in asking in what are the knee yogasanas? Bending knee.
Please repeat me again, please.
Bending the knee, what type of yogasanas can be performed? Can you demonstrate 1 or 2?
Yeah. Bending the knees, you want? One
Yes.
knee. Can you see me, please?
Yeah.
This is Vajrasan, and this will help in reducing the knee pain. But someone who is suffering from arthritic pain, not preferred to do without consulting the doctor. And also, this also you can perform, but the same thing I repeat, without consulting the doctor, don't perform, right? This is also the knee exercise which is very useful. Okay? Vajrasan, and you can do as well Ushtrasan. Alle Bluetooth off I can't hear her. But they can hear you. But I'm not able to hear her questions. Veena, I'm not able to hear a little bit also your voice. Only I think you are hearing me, but that's the reason I'm calling you.
Okay, can you perform another 3 or 4 yogasanas and we will wind up.
Yeah. 3 or 4 yogasanas you want to just see, right?
Okay.
Okay. Just a minute. Okay. And it is Hello, can you hear me?
Yes.
Hello.
Yeah, we can hear you.
Yeah. Okay, she can hear me now. I'll show you Ardha Chakrasana. Can you see?
Yeah.
Stand straight. Take both the hands on your waist. Inhale. Bend slowly. Relax. This is called Ardha Chakrasana, which is helpful to the waist pain and it helps to the thighs. I'll show Hanumanasana. Please, everyone, don't perform. I am just showing for a demonstration. Stand. Turn both the hands down and can you see?
Yes, we can see.
This is Hanumanasana, which helps to the waist, to the legs, which will tone complete legs of our body. I'll show another asana, that is Vakrasana. This is helpful to everyone because it's easy posture. It helps for the digestive system and the abdominal part. Stay here for a few minutes or a few seconds. Relax, turn. This asana had to be done both the side, that is right and left. Now I showed you on the left side, I'll show right side. Inhale, keep your hand back. Slowly exhale and turn back. Relax. Final posture. Veena, I performed, I think 3 asanas. Any more asanas you want to see?
No, man, that is enough for today.
Yeah, ma'am.
And
Again,
your favorite, madam is asking, which is your favorite asana? Can you demonstrate that one?
Best asana.
Yeah. Best asana I would have, I did actually, it was a little bit of difficult. I think after my delivery, it's little tough to me, but still I showed that was the Hanumanasana. That was actually my favorite, but still I'll try showing the another asana. Dhanurasana I'll show.
Yeah.
Yeah. Sleep. Turn on your stomach. Hands straight. Hands near your chest. Fold your legs. Hold your hands. Inhale and lift your body slowly. Can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
Release. Back to the posture. Thank you, Veena. Thank you, all the ma'ams and a wonderful staff. Wishing you a very happy International Yoga Day once again. Over to you.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. I hope the participant got benefited of the demonstration of yoga. Due to some technical problem and many yoga international sessions are going on, we are
Connection
we are
problem.
troubling in having a connecting to YouTube on Facebook link, and the whole session was recorded and it will be given to the participant through the WhatsApp group, And Facebook group also, we will in Facebook also we will share the whole session of the webinar, because we are having so many international yoga days performing at the same time and the same day, so we are having troubling in recording the YouTube and Facebook links. Kindly apologize for that purpose. Thank you very much, Shreya Lakshmi.
Thank you,
And we
ma'am.
are proud
Thank
to
you.
say that Shreya Lakshmi madam is one of our alumni since from 1996, 97, 98. She is our alumni. We are proud alumni. And over to our principal, sir. I would like to call upon our beloved principal, Professor M.B. Kolvi, sir, to propose presidential remarks.
Ring of fire चालू आहे. सोलार eclipse आम्ही सोलार eclipse चालू आहे. नाही ना.
Principal sir is speaking. But not able to. Connection. No, there is a connection problem. I think battery.
So, can you unmute principal, sir? Kolvi, sir, please. Welcome, sir.
Hello.
Sir. Sir. You can give, sir. You can start, sir.
Hello. Madam. ಹೌದಾ? ಹಾ, ಆಯ್ತು.
Good morning, sir.
A respected resource person and participants. Happy to International Yoga Day. Today's webinar was really amazing. Madam's live demonstration really inspired and motivated all the participants to practice yoga. The webinar really succeeded in a greater extent. Thanks to all the team members for organizing this webinar. Yoga is that medicine that has the power to cure any disease of the universe, even though which cannot be cured by the prescription of doctor. factor. Including yoga in the everyday life is one of the healthiest practice people can ever make. It not only makes you physically well, but will calm your mind and soul. I thank alumni Srimati Shreya Lakshmi for sharing her yoga skills and giving the opportunities to the stakeholders in learning importance of yoga. And also thank all the participants in this present in this session. Hope to see the same cooperation in future also. Thank you one and all.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Veena.
Okay. Now I request our physical director, Professor KB Jamgi Madam, to propose vote of thanks.
Good morning, everyone. Myself, Srimati KB Jamgi, on behalf of our college, our KLE Society Arts and Commerce College, our Principal Professor MB Kodvi, and the entire organization today is the International Yoga webinar. First of all, I extend my most sincere thanks to the resource person, Srimati Shreya Lakshmi Madam, making this webinar a successful event.
Kabir.
I also extend my thanks to our principal, Professor M.B. Kodvi sir, presidential remarks, and I would also like to thank the people who's worked behind the scene to make this webinar a success. Thank you all the participants from India and abroad. Thank you making this event for grand success. Thank you, Andana. Thank you, Shreya.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
And in all the groups, the feedback link is given, and kindly the feedback link is followed by a small quiz also. Those who will get a 60% in that quiz, they will get another certificate, bonus certificate, and international yoga. Those who have given the valuable feedback, they will also give are given international yoga day certificate also. And those who have passed the quiz with a 60%, they will also get another certificate. And happy International Yoga Day. Practice yoga and stay fit, stay healthy. Thank you one and all.
Thank you.